channel. So today I have a fall haul for you guys. So I'm really excited to share this with everybody because I feel like you guys just love my haul videos. I just hope that I can give you some fashion inspiration for your fall wardrobe in 2020. This year is very different from most years because I only purchased looks that I'm gonna wear on Instagram because I haven't really been going anywhere since I work from home. This video is gonna be a little bit less practical, but I think that's really cool because I'm really just buying things that I'm in love with. I also have a little bit of a different format to this video. I'm going to be doing it standing up so you guys can see the full pieces when I hold them up and talk about them. And then also, I have this cute little background that I set up recently. I decorated it for the fall, so I'm also going to be trying on each one of the looks as well. I hope you guys can use this video as some inspiration for your fall fashion. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and before we get started, I really just want to invite you guys to click that subscribe button down below if this is the first time you're seeing me. Hi, I'm Chloe and I make girly beauty and fashion videos on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. I don't shop at Forever 21 anymore. I was very annoyed when they decided to stop making extra smalls because that's my size, but my friend Milana, she really wanted to go in there. She dragged me in there and I found a pair of flare jeans. I've literally been looking for flare jeans for the past 2 autumns because I just had a feeling that they're coming back. So I did pick up a pair of flare jeans from Forever 21 and I really am happy about it because I was going to go to Free People and spend so much money and I ended up getting these at a great price. So these are my flare jeans. They're kind of stretchy. They're in a light wash and they just fit me perfectly. I was literally shocked because the thing is you can't try on clothes in the mall right now. So I just kept going back and forth with Milana like, should I get them? Should I not? Like, I don't know, and I am so happy I picked them up because I have never felt more confident in a pair of jeans in the past like 3 or 4 years. Like, I literally hate myself in jeans, but these are just so cute. They're so perfect. If anybody's wondering, I am a size 24, so literally perfect. They're high rise, light wash, no rips on them, and the flare is just huge. And I love wearing these with a chunky heel. It makes me look a lot taller than I am as well because if you guys don't know, I'm 5'1". Very, very short. So that's all I got from Forever 21. Now on to my absolute favorite store of all time, especially recently, Breath of Youth Clothing. So they are an Instagram online boutique. Their clothing is the perfect mix of boho, girly, and cottagecore. So the first piece that I got for them is this dress that I'm wearing right here. I think this is so cute and dainty, and I feel like I could wear this through the seasons. Maybe not winter, but definitely spring, summer, and autumn. I wore this to a pumpkin patch and I just threw a little cardigan over it. And also another thing I love about this dress is it has pockets. It's so cute. It fits me perfectly. It is a size extra small. Something I will say about Breath of Youth Clothing is they're very true to size, and when I first started shopping them, they didn't have extra smalls, and they since recently added some extra smalls into their collection. So I try to find the extra smalls when I can, but sometimes I just have to have it and I get a small and I just alter the clothes myself because their pieces are just so darling. Also, I will link everything that I mentioned in this video down below, all of the websites that I got things off of, and if they are still available for you guys to buy. So I did get another dress from Breath of Youth Clothing. This actually just came in the mail today, right as I was about to start filming this video. So this is a really nice like light brown but almost mauve. It's like a pinky brown dress. It is a little bit long on me. I got it in a size small, but I really do love it. I think I could definitely pass wearing this and it not looking gigantic on me. It has these beautiful daisies on it. I just think this is the perfect dress, especially for like running around in the fall. It's very comfortable because I must say I do wear some pretty uncomfortable clothing, but the fabric of this is just very heavy and nice and comfy. So the next item that I got from Breath of Youth Clothing, I actually wore this skirt apple picking. I was on the hunt for a really pretty long skirt this season because all of my Pinterest boards were just filled with like long, flowy, floral skirts for the fall. This is a wrap skirt. It's very flattering. It has these little daisies on it. Again, it's in a light blue color, kind of like this dress. You can really wear this with a lot of things, and I think we need to bring back the long skirts because I'm loving them. I haven't worn a long skirt since the high-low skirts when I was about 12, in 2012 when those were really popular. I think this skirt is really pretty and definitely another must-have from Breath of Youth Clothing. And now another must-have basic from Breath of Youth. So this is a really timeless classic blouse. I love how it flares out, so if you do wear this with a pair of denim, it can look really cute, but you can also tuck it into a high-waisted skirt and it'll look just as adorable. I could definitely see myself wearing this in the winter as well with some knit skirts, but you could also bring this into the spring and summer. And now the last piece from Breath of Youth Clothing is this really comfy, cozy, soft cardigan. It's this oatmeal color, and it also has these turtle buttons up the front. I think this is really pretty and versatile. I could definitely wear this into the winter. It's super soft and cozy and just such a good material. I actually haven't worn it yet, but I'm really excited to start throwing this over my dresses when it starts getting a little bit chilly here in New Jersey. I did get 2 accessories from Breath of Youth Clothing. So the first one is this little locket that I'm wearing right now. I think it's super cute. I love wearing gold dainty jewelry basically year-round, so I'll probably wear this necklace to death. The last accessory I got from Breath of Youth Clothing is this really cute ruched headband right here. I've been really into headbands lately, but this is a really pretty floral print headband. I can really use this throughout many seasons, especially because the floral print is very neutral. And the next place that I shopped at was Lucky Clover. I just got one item from there, and that's a boutique in New Jersey based in Red Bank. So they have really cute stuff. I just love boutique shopping because you get things that are different from everybody else. So I got one dress there. It was kind of big on me, so I actually bought a belt to match. So first let's talk about this dress. It reminds me of Blair Waldorf, especially on Thanksgiving, so that's kind of the vibe that I was going for with this dress. It's in kind of like a mix between a brown and a mustard yellow, so it's definitely a fall dress. It has buttons down the front. I think this is a little bit different for me. It's definitely very preppy, but I wanted to cinch in my waist. So I went on Poshmark and I found this LoveShack Fancy belt to pair with it, and oh my gosh, this just makes the dress. It's in a neutral color and it has a little bit of yellow detailing, and it also ties in a bow in the back. So I just think it's really cute and it really makes the dress look exactly how I pictured it. So the next place that I shopped at is not going to be a shocker to anyone. It is Target. I have this sweater in a neutral oatmeal color that I got 2 years ago. I got it in a cranberry last year, and this year I got it in like a dark pumpkin color. I got it in a small because I like my cardigans kind of big and slouchy. Cardigans like this, they never go out of style. I wear them all around the house. I wear them with every dress, every outfit. Definitely go take a look at Target. I got another cardigan from there as well. So the other cardigan that I got from Target, oh my gosh, this fits me like perfectly. I think it's so adorable. It's in this cranberry color and it has these turtle buttons going up the front. It's just a nice like tight fit cardigan, and it's really cute to wear with like a little crop top and maybe a skirt to be really preppy, or you could be casual with it. So this skirt that I got on Poshmark, it's by the brand Lulu's, and I was just searching all over Poshmark for a really cute like plaid skirt for fall going to winter. It's kind of like this wool material. It's really flattering. I just am obsessed with the colors. I have nothing like this in my collection, so I was really excited about it. The next place, of course, that I went shopping is PacSun. They're probably my favorite store in the mall besides Francesca's. I actually don't don't have anything from Francesca's here today, but you guys know I always have to sell PacSun. This first PacSun dress is really cute. It's floral print. It has a like very cherry Taylor Swift red, and it's just cut perfectly for me. I just love it. It's so easy. It's very flowy. So I liked that dress so much that I actually got it in green as well. So it's the same exact cut. The floral pattern is a little bit different. I've just really been loving the color green. And the last dress that I got from PacSun is in this burnt orange color, and it has these really pretty black flowers on it. This is very much like a Halloween vibes dress to me, and I would wear it with a black blouse underneath. Also maybe like a denim jacket on top of it too, to make it a little bit more like, I don't know, grunge maybe. But yeah, dresses like this are very versatile because you could wear it when it's really hot in the summer and make it kind of boho, and you could dress it up and make it a little bit grunge for the winter and fall. I've been watching a lot of Freddie My Love, and so I watched her autumn haul week. She hauled stuff from Abercrombie, and now I literally haven't shopped there since like the last time it was included in one of these hauls. So maybe like 2015 at most, but definitely since like 2014. So I did actually pick up 2 tops from Abercrombie & Finch because Freddie just hauled all these amazing pieces from Abercrombie, and I was like, oh, maybe I should just like check out their site, and they do have some really cute pieces. So the first thing that I got from Abercrombie is this really cute orange blouse. This is something that my friend Hannah would wear. It was just giving me much Hannah vibes, and she's very like a sunshiny, like a boho girl. It hits literally perfect on me, so it's not too low, and it also has this little pin so you can pin it as well. It ties in the back, and of course it has the puff sleeves that I've been literally obsessed with. And then I also got another top from Abercrombie. So this has like the classic puffy sleeves that I love, and it's in kind of this like pea green gingham color. I just looked at this and I just thought cottagecore. I like to wear this with like high-waisted denim skirt that like ties. I posted an Instagram picture in this and it did really well, so I was really happy about that. But yeah, again from Abercrombie, what a shocker. I would say definitely check out their website. I'll link it down below. So the next place that I shopped at was actually ASOS. This is the first dress that I got from ASOS, and I think this is like the perfect November dress. Like this would just look so cute with a pair of tights. It's all green and floral, kind of like this emerald green color, and the little flowers are yellow and pink, but I don't think it's too shocking. Like I think it really complements each other. And it's also a 3/4 length sleeve, so it does keep you a little bit warmer in the winter. I also got this headband from Claire's, and I think this would pair really nicely with it. Just kind of like this corduroy headband in a mustard yellow, and I think it really complements the flowers on this dress. This is the second dress that I got from ASOS. I was loving brown on Pinterest like a lot. Like everybody was wearing brown this season, so I was like, okay, need some brown in my wardrobe. I found the brown Selkie dress, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's those big, like puffy bubble dresses that have been really like all over my Instagram feed, but they're a little bit over $200, so I was like, I don't have anywhere to go. Like if I was going to the city, I would get that dress. I got this dress. I feel like it's kind of like, it's different from it, but it's the same vibes, I would say. The sleeves are very puffy, but they're also long sleeves, so I think it was very different. I've never seen a lace brown dress before, so I thought this was really cute and unique. It was a bit big on me. I did get the size 0. I actually had to sew it up in the front right there so it wasn't too deep of a neckline, and I might get the sleeves altered a little bit later on if I am wearing it out somewhere besides Instagram, but I really like this. I have a whole outfit planned in my head. We have this black suede headband to go with it. This is from Claire's again, and I just thought those two looked really cute together. So the next store that I shopped at was actually Urban Outfitters. I have been getting a lot of winter stuff from there recently. I just think they make really nice like pullover sweaters and sweatshirts. So by the way, my Pinterest is at Beauty by Chloe. If you want to follow it, it will be linked down below. That's where I get a lot of my outfit inspiration from. I was seeing the trend of the long skirts with the sweatshirts over it, and especially sweatshirts with embroidery. So I found this really cute fuzzy sweatshirt from Urban Outfitters. It says, "Thanks a bunch." It kind of looks like something you would find in a thrift store. It's in this salmon pink color, so a little bit orangish. I think it's perfect for almost any season. You could really wear this in the spring because it does have some flowers on it, but my style is just floral print year round. So I also wanted to mention these really cute hair bows. I'm wearing one right now in this burnt orange color, but they came in a pack, and I also do have one in a salmon pink that I think would look really cute with that sweater that I just held up. One day I just was like, I need a hair bow, and I couldn't find like a burnt orange one in my collection, so I literally ran out to Ulta because I needed a new beauty blender too, and I was like, Ulta probably has some hair stuff, and I found these cute little like scrunchy bows. So if you're looking for hair accessories, you might as well check out Ulta. And now the last store that I have to show you guys is actually Amazon. So one of these girls that I follow on Instagram, I think her name's Kristen or Kirsten. I'll leave her Instagram down below, but she was wearing the most adorable dress, and she posted on her story, swipe up for the link, and I swiped up and it was from Amazon, and I was like, what the heck? Like, it looks like something you would get from a boutique. So I actually bought two versions of the dress. So this first dress, I actually got it in a burnt orange color, and it also has these really cute little orange polka dots on it as well. It has a little bow in the front with some ruffles, and of course it has the puff sleeves. This fits me like a glove. It's from Amazon. It's an extra small. It was, I think, around like $25 to $30. I was so happy that she posted it on her story because otherwise I would have never found out about this. I actually got a belt while I was at PacSun that I think would look really cute with this dress. It's just this plain black belt with a heart buckle on it. It's by the brand Brandy Melville, and I just think it's super cute. I think the belt would really pull this look together. I also got another version of that dress, so they do have the dress in a long version, and it wasn't too long for me. I was so happy about it. So I got it in this nice nude color. It does have little nude polka dots on it, but it also has these really pretty pink flowers as well. So I think this is super cute, a very boho vibes, but you could also make it super shabby chic and girly. But yeah, I was just so shocked. I've never really bought clothes off Amazon except for like pleated skirts. And then the last little accessory that I have is actually from my friend Milana's crystal shop that she works at called Soulshine. So it's in Avon, New Jersey, and they have really pretty like crystal jewelry. And this is just a quartz bracelet, and the quartz has lots of different colors in it. And I thought this was just really pretty for the fall, and it would match really well with that dress that I just showed you guys. So that is everything that I purchased for the fall 2020 season. I hope you guys enjoyed and got a little bit of fashion inspiration off of my video. Definitely subscribe to my channel down below if you want to see more beauty and fashion videos. I have a couple more videos left for the fall season. And I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!